Hey Sierra High School, progress reports came out recently and we know that there are some students struggling right now.
We are halfway to finals, which is when semester grades are done and are put on your transcript. So, if you're struggling, you need to use every moment to improve your grade.
A D or an F in a class means that you are at risk of failing a class required for graduation, and it is really critical to make some changes.
To try and help you out, we thought we'd put together some tips to try and make you more successful.
First of all, we definitely recommend reaching out to your teachers with any questions or concerns about your classes to make sure you aren't missing anything and so that you can get the help that you need.
We've also got the support period now, so be sure to use whatever time you have to get with your teachers. Block scheduling goes so fast, so watch out that you don't get behind.
On distance learning, it is important to have good study habits so you can focus and get your work done. Here are some suggestions that might help.
Establish your routine and set a schedule. This can help you provide structure and keep you motivated. Set your study time and focus on one thing at a time. You can decide what works best for you. Minimize distractions that can easily interrupt a productive study session. Keep track of class meeting times, due dates for assignments, and dates for quizzes and exams. You can use a planner, calendar, or notebook to write things down. Create a to-do list to help keep on track and stay focused.
Number 2, ensure access to educational resources. Live class meetings are taking place on Microsoft Teams. Are you accessing Teams? There's lots of communications coming to you on your email. Also, be sure to check your email daily. If your teacher records class meetings, do you know where to find them? You can refer back to these when you are studying. Do you know how to submit your assignments and where? Are you checking your grades on Student Connect at least once a week? Please reach out to your teachers if you need help accessing class meetings or submitting assignments.
3. Take breaks. Briefly leave your study area when you are not with your teacher. This will help improve your learning and concentration, relax your mind, and can assist in increasing your attention span. Make sure you take a break for lunch or a snack. Breathing exercises to relax can help. Take deep breaths and focus on breathing for 30 seconds.
4. Stay connected. Create virtual study groups. You can use this as an opportunity to study with your classmates. Ask questions and reach out for help when you need it.
If you find you need more help figuring out how to be successful, be sure to check in with your counselors by email, through Teams, or by scheduling an appointment through their Microsoft Bookings link, found on the Sierra website under the Counseling tab. We hope this helps turn things around. Make it a great day or not, Sierra. The choice is yours.